Let's have a look now at entering a new clinician to the clinic. So I'm going to go straight over here to this icon. Rather than clicking on the drop downs, you're actually going to click up here. And this is where I can edit my personal information. And you can see here that there are 3 different roles that can be assigned through Limbase. I'm going to invite a clinician. So this is the role that I want to use to invite another therapist to have access to my patient records. Clerical has more limited access. Admin is what I'm currently holding, and so the admin role for each clinic is the person who has the ability to invite or uninvite clinicians, but also they have the capacity to discharge patients from the record, or archive patients from the record, I should say. But on this occasion, I'm going to invite another clinician. That clinician happens to be me, but I'm going to use a different email address. So I'm just going to add this in. I'll click on add, and then that will send through an email to my address, which I will then open. You can see that it has been sent because that's been added here. So you'll, if you have quite a few therapists working in your clinic, you'll end up with a little bit of a list of different clinicians. And as people move on and no longer need access, you can uninvite them by just clicking the delete. And I'm going to go straight to click on Limbase here, which then opens up the login page. So if I were a new user, I would go to create new user. As I am already a user in another clinic, I'm going to just put my email address in. I'm going to use the password for my other clinic. And log in. It's going to give me a code. And when I put my code in, I'm going to get this alert. You have pending clinic invitations. Click here to view them. Here's my invitation. I accept and close. And then I can drop down and find that clinic. So I need to click on the clinic, continue, and then I'm back into the system. Now I'm logged in as the new email address. You can see when I go in, I'm no longer the admin. I can no longer invite or uninvite other therapists. That belongs to this email address. Yeah, just a good thing to remember. If you want to invite somebody new, make sure that you have the admin role. Always get in touch with us though if you're having any problems with that kind of thing.